Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an animated texture to a plane in Maya and also how you can change the offset. I'll start by creating a plane, reducing the subdivisions. I'll apply a material to it, any random material really. Alt Shift D to clear the history. Name this animated texture. By this I mean this material. Then go into the color, file, then check the use image sequence. Then I'm gonna go into the directory and I'm gonna copy the directory of the image sequence that I have, and I'll just select the first one, hit open. So normally the fun with Maya is that you don't see the texture right away. You have to click on 6 because by default it's not activated. So that's one of the things you want to keep in mind, because as you're figuring out the animated texture, this could freak you out and often forget about it, even though it's a common thing. So the image sequence is gonna stop at 68. So what if I want now to start the animation, let's say 5 or 10 or maybe even 50 frames later? To make it really easy, I'm gonna offset it with 100 frames different. So the difference in the 100 frames is gonna push this to 168. So if the offset is correct to push it 100 frames, then it's gonna be 168. So it should be, I actually don't have to move this here. You can type the number 168. So it should be in here and it should be covered within this time range. Now, the fun with Maya is that always there is something that doesn't make sense. Technically speaking, you should just type in, let's say 10, and then you would anticipate that it would start 10 frames and kind of off. So in this case here, it's not really doing that. It's it's taking off that number of frames. So that's confusing. So I'm gonna make it the same number I mentioned, 100 frames off, right? So starting with 1 all the way there, it's not showing, and then the offset is completely off, right? Now here's the thing. This doesn't make any sense. It should not be this way, but whatever. Minus 100. Now let's see. Oh, there it is. So starting at 100 and ending at 168. So I hope that helps.